Assalamualaikum viewers, it's me Amal Maharvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Shakur. I hope you all guys are fine. So today our topic is what is affiliate marketing. So first of all, open the Chrome and search here what is affiliate marketing. So here is the result. First of all, I am telling you what is affiliate marketing. A marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals is called affiliate marketing. So here the detail how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing involves referring a product or services by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms, podcast, or website. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique affiliate link associated with their recommendation. So here are their reviews and here are the types of affiliate marketing. Affiliate always carry a bit of mystery. You never know if the person has ever really used the product or if they are just promoting it for the money. Both cases still exist today. It wasn't until 2009 when renowned affiliate marketer Pat Flynn broke down the different types of affiliate marketers into three groups. Understanding these types of affiliate marketing can show you the different ways people make money online in this space, regardless of your moral compass. So, unattached affiliate marketing. The first type of affiliate marketing is referred to as unattached, or when you have no authority in the niche of the product you are advertising. There is no connection between you and the customer. Often you are running pay per click advertising campaigns with your affiliate link and hoping people will click it, buy the product and earn a commission. Unattached affiliate marketing is attractive because you don't need to do any legwork. Affiliate marketing businesses rely on reputation and trust with a target audience online. Some affiliate marketers don't have the time or desire to build those relationships, so this type of marketing is their best option. Unattached affiliate marketing isn't a genuine business model, it's for people who just want to generate income, explain Alice Dobson, founder of Sproker Lovers. Our focus for Sproker Lovers is building community and providing free education around a particular niche first, which is our case in the Sproker Spaniel dog breed and selling second. So I hope this information is enough for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like my video. See you guys in the next video. For then that, peace out.